Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SkinWell Alpha-Arbutin skin correcting body lotion and the soap. This product is available as both a bar soap and a body lotion in the market, and I'll be telling you all about my experience using this product. So if this is something you're interested in listening to, please stick around for the entire video. Yes, welcome back guys. So like I said, I'll be reviewing the SkinWell Alpha-Arbutin soap and body lotion. I need to mention that there are two types of this SkinWell product in the market. This one is the Alpha-Arbutin skin correcting lotion and the soap. There is also the SkinWell I think carrot oil, no, turmeric, yes, SkinWell turmeric body correcting body lotion, as well as the soap in the market. However, if you guys have been subscribers to my channel or you've watched any of my videos, you will know that I kind of have a strong like for Alpha-Arbutin. So that was why I decided to pick the Alpha-Arbutin version of this product. So yes, the first one I purchased was this soap, Alpha-Arbutin skin correcting soap. It's made in the US. As my camera is refusing to focus, anyway, it's made in the US, and some of the ingredients for the soap are, I don't know what organic RSPO is, but it has palm oil, refined shea butter, coconut oil, sunflower oil, organic turmeric root extract, extra virgin olive oil, Alpha-Arbutin, organic castor oil, natural honey kaolin clay, turmeric root powder, fragrance, as well as sodium hydroxide. It's a 250-gram soap. This is what it looks like. I've already started using it. It's a brownish soap, and it has some tiny exfoliating tiny particles in it, which I believe is for bar soap exfoliation. This soap, what my experience has been with it is that it tones very slowly. I'm not sure I like the color of the bar. It looks very boring, but it actually does a good job. It foams very easily. It doesn't cause you to break out. It just helps your skin to have a natural nice look. The thing about it is that it doesn't also, another thing about it is that it doesn't burn your skin, neither does it irritate in any way. It's just simply mild, and it doesn't feel like you're applying anything on your skin. Another thing I need to mention about it is that it will brighten your skin in a way that, how do I put it, it's not instantly brightening like some soaps that you see results in as little as 3 to 5 days. This one kind of like takes longer to work. They said it's Alpha-Arbutin increases confidence with cleaner, more even tone, and it corrects burning, scarring, and nasty side effects from using other skincare products that may have damaged your skin. It's a powerful lightening and reduces dark spots. I would not say it's powerfully lightening. It lightens if you use it consistently over time. That's that about this SkinWell Alpha-Arbutin bar soap. Yes, moving on, I'll talk about the body lotion. It's the Alpha-Arbutin skin correcting body lotion, and they said they make a lot of claims in this cream. They said it's naturally brightening, it will keep your skin moist, and let me even read the cocoa for you guys. It says SkinWell is one of super brand for Beyonce Beauty with intensive and comprehensive skin tone correcting technology, including advanced anti-spot ingredients like Alpha-Arbutin, vitamin C to decrease melanin production, restore damaged skin, and nourish dry skin, and lighten the skin as well. Now, going down to the ingredients, this body lotion contains a ton of amazing ingredients like that I like. It has niacinamide, it has titanium dioxide, and you guys know titanium dioxide is like the active ingredients in sunblock. physical sunblocks. Yes, it's the active ingredient. It contains niacinamide as well. It contains macadamia seed oil, citrus oil, lots of amazing products. It even contains glutathione. It contains vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, as well as dimethicone and some other great ingredients. What I need to say about this body lotion is that yes, indeed it's great for toning, but it works really slowly. I feel like some of the active ingredients in this body lotion, like the vitamin C and the alpha-arbutin, which should actually do the lightening, skin lightening, the concentration is not really that much. That's why you wouldn't really notice like a very fast result when you start using this body lotion. Another thing is that it's sufficiently moisturizing. It's not like one of those creams that you use and you feel like your body is still dry. On its own, it will moisturize you sufficiently. However, if you're looking for something that will instantly tone you, like magically tone you, this is not the I've turned to look at Aqua. If you're looking for something that will magically tone you like in a couple of days, this is not the body lotion to go for. This one works slowly over time, and I feel like that's a more healthy way to get a toned skin. However, when I bought it, I was really looking for something that will instantly tone me, so I was kind of like impatient. I'm kind of like impatient with this cream, to say the truth, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It works really great if you want to have a healthy caramel skin tone that, you know, glows. Okay, all right. Another thing I need to mention about this cream is that this is where they describe how it will tone you. You can see the skin tone on the sticker, the before and the after. I purchased this cream for, how much did I buy it? I bought it for 1,730 naira. Yes, that's what they wrote, exactly what they wrote on the cream when I purchased it. I forgot to mention how much I bought this bar soap. I bought the bar soap for 700 naira. Yes, that's how much I bought this bar soap. However, I really like the cream. Another thing I need to mention, yes, about this lotion is that the smell. It smells really nice. It reminds me of that my old cream I really like, that Ambi body lotion, and I feel like it's because of the Alpha-Arbutin that makes them smell kind of like similar. So yes, it has a very nice smell. The color is pinkish, as you can see. Yes, it's a pinkish colored cream, and it's generally just great for hydration and kind of like slowly toning the skin. Yeah. Okay guys, one other thing I need to mention that most people always ask in the comment section of my product review is, can I use this body lotion on my face? Like I always say, what works for me may not work for you, because people have different skin types. However, what I noticed with this body lotion when I used it on my face is that it made me break out in tiny rashes, and it just changed the consistency of my skin. My skin began to look kind of, it had bumps on it, and I didn't really like it, so I stopped using it on my skin. But it may work differently for you if you choose to use this body lotion and you try it out on your skin and you see that it's making you to break out, or you don't really like the results you are getting. You might want to stop. I had to stop using it on my face because I didn't really like how it made my face look. My face began to have tiny little rashes, and it didn't feel as smooth as it looks right now. So yes, that's about this body lotion. It's been really great. It comes in this 500 ml container, and it will fade out your dark spots, even out your skin tone, and just give your skin a healthy overall look. So yes, that's that guys about this SkinWell beauty product Abby. That's that about this SkinWell product. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to check out my other videos. Also give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, for more awesome skincare product reviews. And I will see you guys in my next other video. Bye.